Hey, Mike McGroarty here. I want to talk to you real quick. You know, people are always asking me about rare Japanese maples and, you know, any kind of Japanese maple really, and they want to know where to buy them. There's all kinds of places where you can buy them online, but the prices are insane. You know that if you go to your local garden center, they're $150 up to $200, if not more. I mean, I've seen Japanese maples in the garden center for $1,200. I see them online all the time from $60 to $100. Well, in our members area, we've got about, I don't know, probably 4 different members that sell all kinds of Japanese maples, rare Japanese maples, different times. They're not always available, but just a couple days ago, I printed out this list of what one of our members had for sale. First of all, pay attention to the prices. Now, Amber's Ghost, these are all rare Japanese maples, $8. Filigree, $8. Geisha Gone Wild, $8. Sister Ghost, $8. Now, if you remember, about a year ago, 6-8 months ago, I posted a picture of a purple ghost Japanese maple. So on this list, this guy doesn't have any purple ghost. You're in my movie, buddy. He's got Sister Ghost, and there's a whole bunch in that family, but Sister Ghost Japanese maple, $9. Moon Shadow, $10. Carnival, $8. Crimson Queen, which is probably one of the most popular lace leaf weeping varieties, $8. So Red Dragon, $8. That's an insanely popular Japanese red maple. Inaba I've sold hundreds of those. He's got them here for $12. So anyway, these are the kind of deals that you can get inside of the members area. Here's a list of, first of all, these are Coral Bells, Euchera, and this guy listed, looks like 5 different varieties from $1.85 to $2.15 each. Even in a box store in a 1 gallon, these things sell from $12 to $14 each. So he's got Venus, Stormy Seas, Can, Carnival Peach Parfait. Really, really pretty, really hard to get, hard to come by. What? Give me your foot. Dark Secret, Cherry Cola. So those are all, well, those are $1.85 to $2.15. And then another member's got a list of rooted cuttings. Anthony Waters, but these rooted cuttings are all 75 cents each. Are you going to eat that? 75 cents each. Anthony Waters Spirea, Black Pussy Willow, Blue Girl Holly, Bridal Wreath Spirea, China Boy Holly, China Girl Holly, Burning Bush. Hey, I'm reading. Dappled Willow, Golden Flame Spirea, Rose of Sharon, Sky Pencil Holly, and then there's Butterfly Bush. The Butterfly Bush, I think, are $2. Yeah, $2 a piece. Sun Hydrangea, which is a hydrangea Silver Dollar and Phantom. Excuse me. $2.60 a piece. Magnolias, Betty and Jane Magnolia, $2.60 each. Gardenia, let's see, 5 for $13. So 10 liners for $25. That's $2.50 each. Crepe myrtles. There's a whole list of different varieties of crepe myrtle. Catawa, Pokemon available, Tonto, and these are $2. And where can you get a crepe myrtle for $2.50? Pixie Red Lilac. Those are $2.50 as well. So anyway, here we go. Fragrant Viburnums, Judai and Zudai. $2.80 each. I mean, fragrant viburnums are just as rare can be, and you know, you can buy them, you know, but the point is you can buy these all day long, turn around and sell them for 3 times what you paid for them the next day. A lot of our members are selling this stuff on Facebook. They're simply potting it up, posting it on Facebook, and it's gone like that. We just went through a ton of grapes, Penny Mac Hydrangea, Fringe Trees, Pink Flowering Almond, Yellow Twig Dogwood, $1.80 a piece. So anyway, I just want to tell you that, you know what, and that's really just the beginning of what we do in the members area. But what we really do is we help each other day in and day out, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Pam and I just got back from Atlanta in January. We went down to Atlanta and visited one of our members down there and met with all of our growers in the southern area. People came from all over Georgia and Alabama, and I don't even know, the Carolinas. So we spent a whole day at her nursery just hanging out and enjoying each other's company. We do the same thing here. In August we have what we call our Backyard Grower Shindig. I've got another grower in Tennessee. He started out with me like right out of high school, and this guy has just done a phenomenal job, and I really hope to make it to his place this summer and kind of have a little get together there if he wants that. If not, then Pam and I will just hang out with Nathan for the day. You know, we got a bunch of people in Eastern PA. You know, we visit a bunch of our members in Western PA, but we want to get over to Eastern PA. We got a couple there over in Lancaster, Amish country. They just hit it out of the park selling plants. I mean, they sell tens of thousands of dollars worth of plants. I know there's another guy in Eastern PA does the same thing. So anyway, my point is, we want you to experience this members area, no matter what you're there for. Whether you just want to get these great deals on plants, whether you want to grow and sell some plants for profit, whether or not you just want to hang out with like-minded people. It's $7 to test this thing out, and we'll put a link below the video. Just take it for the $7 test drive. That'll get you in there for 30 days. You get to look around. You can buy plants, even if you have some stuff to sell. If you're licensed, you can sell plants. I mean, there's no limit on that 30-day trial. You get to experience everything that our members get to experience. So I encourage you to do that. We only open this up a few times a year because we just don't want it open all the time. We can't deal with a ton of new members coming in at any given time. So as soon as we feel that we have enough new members, then we close it because it just gets too congested and too confusing. So anyway, I really like to see you on the inside. I'm there every single day answering questions, helping people out, and you will absolutely love our members. They're the best people in the world, and you will figure that out pretty quickly once you get in there. So I'm Mike McGroarty. The link is right there below my boots. The donkeys want you to be in there. So anyway, listen, have a good day. The link is right down there.